Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 6th class students. I'm your computer teacher and I hope you all will be fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. So students, today we are going to start the reading of unit number 1, MS Word 2013. Let's open your books, page number 6. As you all know that in our previous lecture we were learning about the advanced features of header and footer in MS Word 2013. Now today we are going to learn about tables. What is a table? A table is an arrangement of text in rows and columns format. You can use tables in Microsoft Word to present information in an organized manner. टेबल जो है ये इंफॉर्मेशन या डाटा का रोज़ और कॉलम की शक्ल में अरेंजमेंट का नाम है और एमएस वर्ड के अंदर टेबल्स के ऑप्शन को अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को बहुत ही ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर में और तरतीब के साथ प्रेजेंट करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, एन एक्सीलेंट वे टू प्रेजेंट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द activities and house allotted to student is to use table as shown in table 1.1. For example, अगर हम ने स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ या हाउसेस अलॉट किए हैं तो इस इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टूडेंट्स को बेटर तरीके से या बहुत अच्छे तरीके से प्रेजेंट करने का तरीका यह है कि हम एमएस वर्ड के अंदर टेबल्स का ऑप्शन यूज़ करते हुए इस इंफॉर्मेशन को प्रेजेंट करें. एज यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल इन द टेबल 1.1 ऑन पेज नंबर 7. Look here. Here is the table with 5 columns: roll number, admission number, name of students, house allotted to student, and the activity allotted to them. Right? In this way, you can present your information in very organized and systematically. Now we are going to learn that how can we insert a table in our document. Place the insert point in the document where you want the table to appear and follow the steps given below to insert a table. So first of all, we will place the cursor in the document where we want to insert a table in our document. As you can see here, I place the cursor, right, and the next step will be I will click on the insert tab from the ribbon. Here you can see this. I have clicked on the insert tab and now I am going to choose the table option from the tables group. Here you can see this is the tables group and I am going to select the tables option. Here's the list is appeared in front of you and now I am going to select the insert table option. As you can see this, a window of insert table is appeared in front of me. The first thing that we have to do is to specify the number of column. आप अपनी मर्ज़ी से कोई सा भी नंबर इंटर कर सकते हैं. As I am going to enter the number 4 and now we have to select the number of rows that we want to insert in our document. So after specifying the number of rows and columns, we will click on the OK button and now you can see here is the table with 3 rows and 4 columns appeared in front of you. And the one more thing, as you can see here are 2 more tabs appeared on the screen in ribbon, the design tab and layout tab. Using design tab, you can also change the designs of your table. As you can see, here is the list of design tab, and the designs of table is appeared in front of you. Look here, I am going to select this design, and here you can see the design of our table is changed now. Right now, here we are going to learn another method to insert a table in our document, and you can say that this is the short method to insert table. Now I am going to click on Insert tab, and from the table group I am going to choose the table option, and now I will select the number of squares that we want to insert in my table. Here you can see I have selected the 3 rows and 3 columns of squares, and now you can see here a table with 3 rows and 3 columns gets inserted in front of me. So the next thing that we are going to learn about is that how can we insert data in our table, right? यानी अगर हम अपने टेबल के अंदर डाटा इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं, एंटर करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल क्लिक इन द सेल in which we want to enter data. Here you can see the cursor is blinking in the cell. Now I am going to type the number 1 in the cell, and if I want to move forward in the next cell, then I will press the tab key from the keyboard. As you can see here, this is the tab key, right? As I will press this key, I will move to the next column, right? Next cell, and here I am going to type up the name of the student, Sana, and if I want to move in the cell down the screen, then I will press the down arrow key, and now I am going to write the name of another student, Ahmed, and if I want to move back in our previous cell, then we will press the combination of 2 keys from the keyboard, the tab key and the shift key. Here you can see this one is the shift key and this is tab key. We will press them together to move back in the previous cell. Here you can see right. In this way you can insert data in your table. So students, this was our today's lecture. So you have to do the practice for this practical work, that how can we insert a table in our document with 2 different methods, and how can we change the designs of the table that we have inserted in our document, and how can we enter data in our tables. Thank you so much and enjoy your time.